Alright guys, in this video I have a 2006 Hyundai Accent, and the issue is the windshield washer motor is not working. Now I'm going to show you guys that it's not working, and then we're going to go ahead and try diagnosis. I haven't touched the vehicle at all, so hopefully this turns out to be a decent one. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to pull the switch. As you can see, nothing. So let's go verify and see if it's actually full. And she looks pretty full to me. So, what's the next thing? Well, the next thing would be to check the fuse, right? So I already pulled out the wiring diagram, and we're going to go check this fuse. So we're looking for a 25 amp fuse, but it also feeds your wipers. So since my wipers work, I highly doubt that it's a fuse issue. But we're going to go check it the same just because. So instrument panel 25 amp, which is going to be, should be in here. Is it? Yeah. So let's go get a light. And actually we'll do something easier than that. Which fuse number? Doesn't say. Alright, so rear wiper, don't have front wiper. And 25 amp, number 3. So we're on the top, number 3. I'll go get a test light real quick. Quick check. Let's see, do we have power? Yes, we do. We are good. And the 25 is this guy right here. Lights up on that side. And lights up on that side. So, we don't have a fuse issue. So the next step is going to be taking off the wheel, taking off the trim, and going to check at the motor itself. New little tool from CP. It's not sponsored. I actually bought myself a new scanner. So this actually came for free, but I'm actually very surprised with this little gun. I'm gonna swing you guys around. All right. So to get to the washer pump, we're gonna have to remove part of the inner fender, which is this guy, and if I'm not mistaken, 1 or 2 underneath. So now we got the pump. You guys see it? Yeah, there we go. All right. So just a 2-wire pump. Pretty easy. And we have a power, and we're going to have a ground. We're going to look at our wiring diagram, and we're going to see which one's supposed to be which. Looks like if they actually replaced this once already with a universal. That does not look OEM. Huh. Okay. I'm going to have to go up the wiring loom a little bit, I think. Yeah. So we're supposed to have a blue and a black. So this is my blue, this one's my black. And it's gonna be very, very easy. So what do we have? So our blue is our power from our switch. I don't know if you guys can actually see. But anyway, so we have power that comes in, it comes over right here, and then it hits on to our multifunction switch. Now when we pull on our wiper multifunction switch, it sends power to, let's see, missed off intermittent, that's for my wiper, that's not it. So it sends power, timer assembly, front wiper washer switch, which is sends power onto this side, which then sends power through here, and then sends power out and then it sends power to the motor, and the motor is grounded at all times. So we're looking for a power when we pull. Just make sure I got that right. On with ignition, and then when we pull, yeah, okay. Yeah, so we have power that comes in at all times when our ignition is on, and then it gets transferred over when we pull our switch, and then our switch sends power out. Yeah, okay. Just making sure I give you guys the right information. Oh, bring you guys over. Bring me over. Everybody can come over. Now we're finding a decent ground. Let's bring it all the way over. This is where our second pad of our hands helps. Alright, now we're on ground. There we go. So, this guy needs a pump. Alright, so now it's the next day. I just got my my pump this morning. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to install the pump, and we're going to see how everything works. And we're also going to replace the wipers while we're here because they are shot too. Let's turn you guys around. See what we're dealing with here. So, universal pump. Screen. Some connectors. I'm not going to be needing these because they're already on there. And that should be about it. So, pretty good. So here's the old pump. Here's the new pump. Everything's looking pretty good. Now, I have positive on this side. You guys have to look closely. Positive, negative. Make sure to put the polarity right. Turn you guys around. So, we have a blue that was positive. Just gonna take and squeeze the connector, it's not very tight. Squeeze the other side too. Oh, that's a good idea. Take, put a little bit of lube, and put it in. There we go. Perfect. So now, negative was on that side, positive was on that side. Make sure I get my wiring right. There's my hose. Light. Now time to see if it turns on. Bring you guys up to the front. So we're gonna take and fill up the reservoir, and we're gonna see if it sprays. Oh, let's see if we fixed it. I had power and I had ground, so everything should be good. Oh, yay! So I don't know if you guys seen that spraying, but now it works. So I could have used an amp clamp and put it around my positive lead and seen if there was any current being drawn from it, but there's no need to get high tech on all your diagnostics. Some you actually need them, some you don't. So in this one, all I needed was a test light just to verify that it had power and ground going down. So that works. Last thing you want is water. Stay there inside of your reservoir. Double protection. And that's it for this repair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.